Hey guys, it's Claire here. So I'm back with another video today and we're going to be featuring the colour tattoos from Maybelline. So I have a couple of different colours here. I'm going to show you like a little tutorial, but we have 4 different colours that I really liked and so I asked for them. We have number 55 inked in pink. We have number 80 cream beige. We have 25 bad to the bronze and 45 bold gold. So with these ones, it's seriously so amazing because you can apply them so easily just with your finger and kind of smudge them out, and that can be your eye look done for the day. I'm going to be showing you how to do them with like a little bit of, it's smoky eye in a way. So let's get to it. I'm going to be doing a little bit of a pink one. So I'm going to use the 55 inked pink on the lid, and then I'm going to smudge that out a little bit with the 80 cream beige, and I'm going to show you how easy this is. So let's go ahead and start. So for the first color, I'm going to use the pink one here. As you can see, I've done my foundation already. This foundation and the base and everything was on my doll tutorial, so I'll link you down below that tutorial because the skin, like, oh, seriously, I used the Superstay foundation and that was amazing. But anyways, let's get back to the eyes. I'm using this one. I'm just only using my finger, so all you gotta do is rub it in it a little bit, and it's good because it doesn't like crease too much in it, so it's really easy to apply. So you can either just leave it like that and make it just stay and look fresh, or you can go in with the next pot. So for the next colour, I'm using a fluffy brush for this one. I'm just going to swirl it around the pot a little bit, and then I'm just going to go in and lightly dust it around the corners. So that's the colour tattoo done. Now I'm just going to go in with my hyper sharp winged liner, and I'm just going to draw a little wing on my eye just to give it that little bit of oomph. And then after the wing is done, going back in with my Colossal mascara. And that is your simple tutorial done. It's literally the easiest thing. It took me like 5 minutes, probably would take you less because I'm filming it. But anyways, thank you so much guys for watching. Please comment what video you'd like to see next, and remember to like and subscribe. And I'll see you guys next week. Bye!